So the survey. So compared to 2014, revenue growth was up, compared to our 2014 survey, I should say. 65% said they grew revenue up significantly last year. As you saw, last year it was only 55%. And just, I'm not going to run through every single statistic, but I'm just, my plan is sort of give you an overview of where it's been the last several years. I mean, it's generally been up, and up more than I've seen in some other markets, except for 2010 when 46% said it was down. 67% saw net profits increase, and that was also up dramatically, I think, from 2014 when only 50% saw an increase. In terms of profits, PP, again, another thing, up significantly year over year, with 70% said an increase. That's compared to 57% in last year's survey. I think a good sign, a healthy sign in the survey is that, and remember, this survey, I don't have the complete breakdown. We had about 31 participants. It goes out to the PA Law 100, about 31. We've had everywhere from between 31. We've had as many as 50, I think, thanks to Meg the one year. And the sampling, it's a pretty good sampling. I mean, I don't have the breakdown in front of me, but it's a pretty good mix of both large, mid-size, and smaller firms. So it's a healthy mix. And the fact that PPP has been up consistently is a good sign. And as you can see, the lowest it's been was in 2010 when only 37% said it was up. But generally, it's hovered between 57 and 58%. Another good sign, fewer reported PPP being down compared to recent years. Only 13% said it was down in this year's survey as compared to 17% in 2014. And we've seen this, the amount of people who have seen their PPP go down, we've seen this in our survey. So to me, this is a trend, and I think it's a result of firms running leaner, being smarter about expenses, being a little bit more careful. This has generally been going down. And you can see, like back in 2010, 30% said PPP was down. Revenue per lawyer, again, another statistic, up sharply. 74% said RPL increased, which is a big difference from 55% the year before. 6% said it decreased, which was also a major change from last year's survey when 22% said it decreased. That, as you can see, that 6% represents the lowest percentage in recent years.